Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, suppose we have one list okay, and then we have L2 equal to say 22, 32, 21, and 18. Okay. L3 is 15, 22, 7, 18, and 12. Okay. Okay, now we want to print. Okay, let's assume L1 is the name. Let's assume that L2 is hours, L3 is wage rate, and then we want to print name, hours, wage rate, and the pay. Okay, so we want to print name, hours, rate, and pay. Okay. Here I need to have an equal sign. Okay. I want to iterate over these three lists, and then we want to print. Okay. So let's start with the print. So that prints the title. Okay. Now we want to iterate over these three lists. And one best way to do that is to enumerate. Okay. We did enumerate before. So we can say for I comma v, okay, in enumerate, okay, L1. We don't have to use enumerate L1, L2, L3. Okay. If you enumerate L1, that will give you the index, and we can use the index to access the other lists. Okay. So now we print. We print, okay, using the F string. Okay. Now we can use V directly because L1 has the names. So when you iterate, I will be the index, V will be the value in the list. So that will give you the name. Okay. And we can specify a width for that, say 10. Okay. And then we want the hours okay, which comes from L2, and we have the index coming from I. So we can use that I and index the list L2 and get the corresponding hours from that. Okay? And we will do some formatting in just a little bit. And then L3I. And then we have L2I times L3I. Okay. Okay. I don't have a close quotation mark for the string, so I get an error. So now we have the print, except that it is not aligned properly. Okay. Well, name and hours are okay. So here we can add, say, suppose if it is 10, that's a little too much. Say 7 seems to be okay. And here, okay, let's do 10. 10 is too much. Okay. Or we can even put 6. Okay. So there is a comma here. That's because I put a comma over there, which is not really needed.